here?
Oh yeah, my friend lives in this co-op right here.
That was many moons ago. Okay, so at the traffic lights, we're going to keep going straight.
Okay.
Is with the window down there, is that bothering you? Or? Good. Okay. And you're in correct lane.
Okay.
Yeah. So, unless the driver gets an advanced green, if you get the solid green, you'll have the right of way.
Okay.
We'll see what happens here, because I think they're facing an arrow. Yeah, they are.
Okay.
So you looking forward to getting your license?
I'm nervous.
How long have you had your G1?
Oh my god, I was 16 and now I'm 20.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
So, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So you could go for your road test. Like you don't have to finish the 10 hours with me in order to book your road test.
Oh no.
No, because if you've had your G1 for a year or more,
Yeah.
you can book your road test.
Oh, okay. I thought you had to finish all 10 hours.
Only if you've had your G1 less than a year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then it just gives people a little bit of a perk, a little benefit. It allows them to go for their road test 4 months earlier than other people.
Yeah.
4 months earlier. You have to have your G1 for a year, otherwise you don't take a course. So yeah. If I were you, we'll try to get this done quick. If you want to get your licensing as soon as possible, we'll try to get this as quickly as possible. We'll stay to the right here. No signal required. We'll just go straight at the lights. And if I were you, I would go ahead and book the road test.
Okay.
Because there's a wait time anyway, right?
Yeah.
Maybe choose something in March. We'll try to get this all done in February. By February. I had to cancel UA for one of these lessons. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that conflict. Yeah. And I did rebook it. No, we had 2 hours to rebook it.
Yeah. And I mostly took driver's ed for insurance wise, and because my dad makes me super nervous when driving with him, and